Look who I found! Alright, flying to Nice, France today, and from there we're gonna go to Cannes. Jukka is gonna join me over there. It's gonna be TV market MIPCOM happening, and we're gonna be selling some TV shows. Let's do this! There's a huge storm outside, so we can't land. We've been circling around for 20 minutes already. So let's see if we have fuel enough to be able to be here for long enough to be able to land.
It's petrol, not fuel.
Okay, petrol. Funny thing is that probably Jukka's airplane is circling around here as well. He's supposed to land half an hour after us, so he's somewhere over there. So we might have to land on a different airport. And, well, this turned into an adventure.
Ollaan päässyt tällä hetkellä laskuun, jonka takia lähdimme kohti Milanon kenttää. Menemme sinne tankkaamaan ja odottelemaan kelin paranemista ja lähdemme sitten ukkosen poistuttua takaisin kohti Nizzaa. Valittelin tätä.
So we're gonna go to Italy, Milan, and land over there to get more fuel or petrol. Whatever they put in the airplane. Yeah, let's go. Finally, we're landing to Milan, Italy. We don't know what's gonna happen next. We might get more fuel and then fly to Nice. Or then we just stick here. We'll see. We just got a message from Jukka and he's saying he's in Nice. What? I guess the thunderstorm ended just after we headed to Milan and he was able to land because he came in half an hour later than us. So, yep. Back in the air, we got full. Fuel. Yep, headed to Nice finally, and Jukka should be already in Cannes, so we're gonna take a car ride over there. So let's go to Cannes. The greatest thing which is happening this week is that we're doing a live big car stunt on Sunday, and you can see it through the app called Live.me. And if you're watching it live, you can actually decide who goes into the car and does a stunt. Why are we asking for you guys to download the app? You guys all know that we were doing those stunt shows before, but back then it was the TV channels who were paying for the stunts. So now it's Live.me who's paying for the stunt. By you guys downloading the app and watching it, you help us to do more stunts, more big stuff. Thank you guys, you rock. So we're here to sell our TV shows, our formats. I'm on the way to get my badge now, and then I can go to that building, and that's where we have a lot of meetings and we're selling the shows. So it's gonna be a great day. Can't wait. Hello.
Hey, Etiquette 2.
Alright, and they want me to take a picture.
I like it.
Yeah, got my badge now. Let's see if it works. That's me, right? I'm in. Let's do this. This is actually the same place where Cannes Film Festival happens. If you know what that is, that's the biggest film festival in the world. And also MIPCOM is the world's biggest TV market. There's like 10,000 people here selling, buying TV shows, buying formats, buying digital content. So this is the place to be if you wanna be in this industry. This is also the place where the Dudeson's international career kind of started, because this was the place where we sold our shows to the other countries outside Finland. So magic can really happen here. So as you can see, there's a lot of these booths. Let's see if I can find my next meeting. Is that for me? Oh, thank you. And all of a sudden I'm in Japan now. I thought I came to France, but all of a sudden I'm in Japan. What happened? Meetings have been going good. We've been actually selling some formats already, actual licenses, and one of our shows is actually going to come out in Germany. So, a great feeling. Looks like this might be actually the best meet we have ever had. So, I'm feeling great. Next, I'm going to have a meeting with someone who you probably know. Look at him. Hey! Let's make some deals, right? Pow! Look who I found! Haha! Jukka! Calmness. Good to see you. Same.
What are you trying to do that to me?
No, I was protecting my balls. I was kind of like feeling that.
What is this?
Well, this is our apartment actually. Here we have most of our meetings. So come and check these out. So these are the formats: Posse, Haggle Battle, Home Invasion, Pop and Roll, Ultimate Expedition, King, The Box. Yeah, they are great. But hey, we gotta do a challenge.
Bring it!
So, are these mandarins, clementines?
Clementines?
Clementines. So the challenge is to eat a whole clementine without peeling it. And is this how they do it in French?
I think this is how they do it in the Jarno land.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Keep
3,
this.
2, 1.
It's not bad.
Something pretty good.
Yeah, but it is better without the pills, definitely.
That's good.
Yeah. So, challenge done. Feeling great. Thanks guys for watching this vlog. Now we're gonna start selling more TV shows and formats.
Oh, is the vlog over already?
It's working. Hold on. Okay. Turn towards me a little.